Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm app. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for